In this video tutorial, you will learn how to add your WordPress website to the Google Search Console. An important step to optimize your website for search engines is to add your site to Google Search Console. With the Google Search Console, you will get many tips and tools to increase search traffic on your site, as well as see a lot of data on your website. I will show you how to easily add your WordPress site to Google Search Console. First, you need to go to the Google Search Console. I already have it opened in a new tab here. Now you have to select a property type. In my case, I'll do it with a URL prefix. So enter your website's URL here, then click on Continue. Now, you will have to verify ownership of your site. And one of the easiest ways to do that is with HTML tags. So under Other Verification Methods, click on the HTML tag. Now we will copy this verification code on our website. To add this code to our website, we will install a plugin first. So back in our WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search bar, type Insert Headers and Footers. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now to start the installation. You can see that this plugin has a very good rating. When the installation is complete, this button will change to Activate. Click on this button to activate the plugin. After the plugin gets activated, it will take you to the plugins page. Now, go to Settings, then click on Insert Headers and Footers. Under the Scripts and Headers section, copy the verification code. Then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save. Now, back in the Google Search Console, click on Verify. As you can see, the ownership is now verified. Now when you view your property, you will see this page. After some time, you will start seeing data on your website here. This is how you can add your WordPress website to the Google Search Console. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.